Okay, so real quick, I wanted to go over mockups with you guys, specifically the quick product mockup here in the wizard. So once you've got your design all set up, I already got everything set up with my colors and the way that I want it. So I'm going to make a quick product mockup for this. I'm going to highlight my entire design before I get started. It's just more convenient for me here. I'm going to go into template type and I'm going to pick quick product. Once I pick the template type, I'm not going to change it. It's going to stay as it is. So the only things that I'll change are these four options here, starting with template, detail, step. So we're working on the product right now, and all that means is that I want to pick the product I'm using. So that's set. It's only got two options between product and design. We're working on product. Then I'll do product type. For this one, I want to do a woman's burnout shirt. Is it the front or the back? For this one, it's going to be the front. Save product. That just tells the wizard, hey, remember, this is the product I want to use. This part is done. Now I'll go back. Remember, we're not changing template type. So template detail steps is the next thing to change. Switch it over from product to design. I already highlighted my design. That was the first thing I did before I hopped into this. If you want to be better safe than sorry, then you can highlight it again. Now I have that highlighted there. And just hit save design. Again, just like we did with the product, all you're doing is saying, hey wizard, remember, this is what I want to use for my design, just like we did for the product. At no point did I change template type. I've only altered here template detail steps from product to design, save my product. I do have rhinestones in this. I want it to be simulated. I want it to look cool. Simulate stones. That's all I needed. I'll hit create mockup. It'll go ahead and use the woman's burnout shirt that we told it to, and it simulated those stones. So that's pretty much it. This is the quick product template type. It's the one that we used so much when you see us at shows or when you see us just giving a quick mock-up to a customer. This is how we roll. This is how we do it. And you can change the color. It's all set up so it's color changing mock-ups, including everything in the design. Hope this helped. If you guys have any questions, drop them in the comments below. And let's keep talking about it. See ya.